Okay, I got a paddleboard, I got a 5-horse, I got some screws, I got some random bits of wood, and some ratchet straps. I'm gonna try and strap this thing to the paddleboard without it making any holes in it as a proof of concept to see if I sink or not. So we'll give it a shot. So this piece should help stop the rig from sliding forwards. Now we need something similar at the front to stop it from sliding backwards. And we need some of these runners to connect them. Something like that. And she'll be on there. Good.
Oh boy.
Quality piece of work here. JP would approve.
JP, is it approved?
You're a cabinet builder, right? And a professional high-speed welder. Oh boy, that's a jam. Oh, it needs a bit more air, right? What the fuck?
It's solid. It's not a blow up.
So heavy.
I got some
You really need to just start having children. You have too much time on your hands.
so I can put them on this thing? Is that what you're saying? Just let it go, I think.
that on the other side.
It's premium stuff. Well, at least you can reuse the 2x4s.
Wow.
Always a structural crack there, you see. Did you want to get like rain gear? No. Wetsuit.
Yeah, if I need anything, it's a wetsuit.
You know, I probably have one that'll fit you at the shop.
I'm not going in. There's no way I'm going in. It's not happening.
You heard it here first, folks.
Heard it here first. That's a real Kelowna boy right there. What did you say? You're not going in?
Going in.
You're not
Sorry,
going in?
I'm not going in.
Are you sure?
No shot. So there's no like cord that you attach to your body on this. Okay?
Yeah.
I think this is like before they had that. So
Very good.
we might actually need another boat to go get this from the other side of the fucking.
If this thing
Inlet.
starts going by itself with nobody on it, it's probably going to flip upside down.
Well, that's what I'm worried about. Is just gonna flip over right away. How's my height on my that, do you think?
Yeah, I think it's good. It's just
It's just below your
not
fin.
flat. It's not a planing hull. It's a displacement hull.
This
Yeah.
is a planing hull.
It's a planing.
All right.
Yeah, it's a planing hull.
Oh boy. What do you think? You want to try it, JP?
No, I didn't feel like getting soaked. It's surprising. It's one of the warmer days. Calm.
That's what
This is pretty calm and beautiful out there.
Good day for
You're
a
going to
boat
see him
ride.
ripping, splashing around. We'll be able to see him when his arms are flailing out of the water.
I don't think you should add to that perfect fuel there. That's,
Oh, there
you've
is quite a
got-
bit in there.
You've got enough. You just got to go.
Yeah, you're
So
right.
that's your shut off. So you could put a rope just to rip those wires out, I guess, if you wanted to. Yeah, you could put a rope onto this wire right here. So you could rip out the wire up to the coil. Oh fucking no. Oh, quick. You know, nah. No.
That's crazy.
That's crazy, that shit. Let's go. Get in the water, let's go.
Dude, tell us how excited you are.
Fire it up. It's a little bit heavy in the rear.
Were you planning on standing on it?
You realize how big of a guy you are, right?
You need to be on your knees,
I
dude.
think I have to start it before you go. I gotta start it for you. Let it warm up.
Have you been paddleboarding before?
Yeah, one time.
You gotta come back. I gotta start that engine for you. There's no way you're gonna stand back there.
Oh, yeah, sinking.
She's gonna rip.
Go for a rip.
Let's go for a rip, bud.
We'll get that motor started up for you.
Might have to put it down too.
Yeah. It will in gear, right? Wrong.
How am I gonna get it out of gear? You can't have it in gear.
You're gonna.
So I'll never be able to, if I can't get it out of gear.
Oh, she runs good. You need a longer tiller. You need a longer tiller arm. way further than that. What a beautiful day.
All right, let her rip, bud. Wow, he's actually going. Oh my god.
He's not that agile, but he's doing pretty good. He must really not want to fall in.
No drone?
Yeah, I guess we could without drone.
It was right around here I realized we had a slight design flaw. The back was digging in way too much and it was just getting the motor soaked. Oh, fuck. Oh. I got cocky.
Well done.
Some quality workmanship there, like.
Fucking the best.
The motor sucked up some water when it flipped over, so we had to dry off the spark plug and it fired back up. Turns out the tiller can't be past your body, so we had to come back, cut it down, and try again. So the design definitely needs some refinement. Oh, hey, but I've got some ideas, and I'll try and sort it out in the next video. fucking muddy.
I was thinking if you stood forward more a little bit.
It kind of feels right where I'm at.
Yeah, you're the expert.
Oh, great success.
That's beautiful. Who knew?
Now
The
what?
potential. I think you upsized that motor.
I need more motor, less weight.
That's always the problem.
Also, these aren't good. This isn't helping any at all.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of dragging.
Well, like, that's why I figured once you're going, it looks like you could stand forward a bit more.
Does it?
Yeah, like a lot.
Yeah, once you're kind of planing, you can move ahead a bit.
Okay.
I think you just need a piece of plywood on there. Different pitch prop.
Yeah.
We could tune it up with the crescent wrench, give it a little more pitch. Let's try that.
I like this thing, man. I need it. It started bogging there. I don't know why, but that's why I had to stop. Slowly going.
I think maybe you were just getting scared of twisting that tiller arm.
Oh, that thing's perfect now.
It's got the right angle. That's for the right part of the alder.
I don't even know.
It looked pretty good. I think we got some sick footage. Pretty nice day for a January or February day.
Yeah. As far as the ratchet straps held up, I thought they might catch.
You tape them down. That's with that high-speed tape.
Yeah.
It's a unit.
All right.
That's a wrap, eh?
I guess so. We did it.